Alright, now for the fun part. Putting those return springs on. So I got this tool here. I mean, they sell them at a lot of different stores. This one just happens to be a Snap-on one. This is a 131A. They do sell this at, different tool stores or online, anything. This is basically a drum brake spring tool. You can use it for a lot of different style wheels or a lot of different style brakes and makes and models and everything. They're kind of universal. These I found best working for these two. I like to hook the one on the retainer side there and then go to the shoe side afterwards. There's probably other ways of doing this that might be even better. If you got something out there, I'd like to know it too. I've put these in and manipulating shoes and things like that. But you want to definitely protect the shoe surface, whatever you do. If you're going to use it this style, there might be another way of actually using this tool to do it, but kind of a little trial and error. Get it kind of over the hole there. Went a lot easier on the other side, I think. Guess I don't remember exactly how I put it on there. Do the same thing on the other side, hopefully more efficient than that. But obviously I didn't damage anything on the shoe itself. Sure, there's an easier way to put them on somehow, but this was what I found the easiest and the least amount of damage. Practice a little bit.